Hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. As always, I'm your host, Jonathan. As of this video, I'm very happy to announce we're over 100 subscribers, and liking and subscribing is the easiest way to support 1 Minute Walking Tours. And today we're here on 5th Avenue and on 105th Street to talk about this gate. And this gate is actually the entrance to the Central Park Conservancy Gardens, but it was designed in 1894 by architect George Post. And it wasn't for this spot. It was actually for the Vanderbilt's home. Now that's Cornelius II Vanderbilt, the Commodore Vanderbilt's son. Now that was on 58th Street and 5th Avenue, so really not that far from here. But that house, which was the largest private house in the United States at the time, the Vanderbilts had a number of misfortunes, deaths in the family, and they felt that they wanted to move on from that house. So even after this gate was installed in the Vanderbilt mansion, it wasn't there for all that long, because in 1926 the largest private residence in the country was demolished, and very little of it is left, and the pieces are left are in private or public art museums. But the only piece you can actually still touch in Gilded Age New York City, from the big homes that the super wealthy used to have, is this gate. And it's interesting to see, to come by and think, Vanderbilts used to own that. So if you're ever on the Upper East Side, 105th Street, and you're coming by to see the gardens, think, well, hey, George Post designed that gate. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you here soon on 1 Minute Walking Tours.